What's up, guys? Rigo here. We are just starting our trip down to Billings. This is going to be a fun one. A little turbo Miata there. Got the old Raptor. Boy's bringing his 197. That's gonna be pretty fun. I hope you enjoy. Tag along. Morning, boys. Today we're rolling fenders. Obviously it's not big enough. We're gonna get her pushed out. Billy sees it need to be a little bit more.
When you were wobbling, I was just trying to get you where it was like push away. Maybe once more.
Give her more beans.
Yeah, bring it back a little bit.
It'd be a good day. It's a little rainy. It's a little cloudy. Got a couple ballast boys on the back. Gotta get her done. You can get her done, you know. There you go.
Yeah, you got a video.
Like that? This is baby on OnlyFans later.
You're good. Finally.
Hey guys, this is Sunday. We got rained out pretty good. It was a good day. A couple of good days. Had some good randoms. It was so much fun. I'm so happy. Thank you, Nate. Appreciate you for still doing this. Shout out to everybody who came here. Everybody who drove with us. Everybody who can give us a shout out. If you have any film, give it to our Instagram, Hokusei_drift. You can send it via Facebook too, either or. We just all appreciate you, and we'll see you state line May 19th. Thanks, guys.